Good morning. I am from Lokman Tilak School. Students of class 6th in SST Geography, chapter number 2, longitude and latitude has been started. Now we are going to read important parallels of latitude. The equator is the most important parallel of the latitude. Okay, other than the equator in each hemisphere, we considered uh, certain parallels to be important as they help us to divide the earth into two different zones. These are a. The Tropic of Cancer or the parallel of 23.5 degree north. B. The Tropic of Capricorn or the parallel of 23.5 degree south. Number 3. The Arctic Circle or the parallel of 66.5 degree north. Number 4. The Antarctic Circle or the parallel of 66.5 degree south. ओके, ये देखिए जितने सबसे पहले जो नॉर्थ में है उसको देखिए। नॉर्थ में सबसे पहले कौन सा है? 23 डिग्री नॉर्थ, ट्रॉपिक ऑफ कैंसर। 23 डिग्री साउथ, ट्रॉपिक ऑफ कैप्रिकॉन। 66.5 degree ट्रॉपिक ऑफ कैंसर। ट्रॉपिक ऑफ नो पैरेलल 66 डिग्री। द आर्टिक सर्कल ऑन साउथ में क्या है? द अंटार्कटिक सर्कल साउथ में 66.5 in south. Okay. Heat zone. Let's read about the heat zone. The earth can be divided into three zones on the basis of the amount of heat received from the sun. Okay, the earth can be divided into three zones. On the basis of amounts received from the suns. There are heat zone called they are called torrid, temperate and freeze zone. सबसे पहले स्टार्ट करते हैं टॉरिड जोन. दिस जोन lies between the Tropic of Cancer and the Tropic of Capricorn and is also known as tropical zone. This is the hottest zone on the earth and is as it received more or less direct rays of the sun throughout the year. इस पोर्शन में क्या पूरे ईयर जो है, ये देखिए टॉरिड जोन ये बना हुआ है, ये रहा. In this area, people receive, this is the hottest zone, the direct rays of the sun throughout the year. पूरे साल यहाँ पे सन रेज जो है वो पड़ती हैं. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट, टेम्परेट जोन. There are two temperate zones on the earth. The north temperate zone lies between the Tropic of Cancer to Arctic Circle, while the south temperate zone lies between the Tropic of Capricorn and the Antarctic Circle. The temperate zone receives slanting rays of the sun and thus are the neither too hot nor too cold. See, टेम्परेट जोन नॉर्थ ये देखिए बना है और टेम्परेट जोन साउथ ये देखिए. यहाँ पे जो है वो सन रेज जो है वो स्लंटली पड़ती हैं, तो ये इस जगह पे ना बहुत ज़्यादा गर्मी पड़ती है ना बहुत ज़्यादा ठंड पड़ती है. ठीक है. Slanting rays of the sun and thus neither too hot. In this zone, the people receives earth receives slanting rays of the sun, thus climate is neither too hot and nor too cold. Freeze zone. नाम से ही पता चल रहा है फ्रीज होने वाला जोन. These are two freeze zones, one in the north and other in the south. The north freeze zones lie between Arctic Circle and the North Pole, while the south freeze zone lies between the Antarctic Circle and the South Pole. These two zones receive extremely slanting rays of the sun, thus these zones are very cold. See, in north and in south. यहाँ पे जो सन रेज हैं वो टोटल ही slantingly पड़ती हैं, so the area is very cold, so it is called freeze zone. Now let's start longitude. If you know just the latitude of a place, it will indicate only its position north or south of the equator. Latitude से क्या होता है? Of a place will indicate, खाली हमें indicate करता है कहाँ की position के लिए, north के लिए and south के लिए. This is not enough to locate a place on map. कोई भी चीज को मैप पे देखना पॉसिबल नहीं है. द एक्वेटर इज द रेफरेंस लाइन ऑफ द नॉर्थ एंड साउथ. वी ऑल्सो नीड रेफरेंस लाइन टू लोकेट प्लेस इन द ईस्ट एंड वेस्ट. अभी तो नॉर्थ एंड साउथ की बात चल रही थी, नॉर्थ एंड साउथ. अब आपको क्या करना है, ईस्ट और वेस्ट के लिए भी देखना है. तो ठीक है. सिंस ऑल मेरिडियंस आर इक्वल इन लेंथ and run from North Pole to South Pole, one particular meridian had to be chosen as the reference line. Look at this picture. Prime meridian, grid formed by the latitude and longitude. It was directed by all countries that meridian passing through the British Royal Observatory at Greenwich near London would be taken as the starting line. Okay, it is clear the London is the starting line. It is regarded as 0° longitude and called prime meridian. Prime meridian called it is. It divided the earth into two equal halves. Two equal halves पहले एक पढ़े थे जो लैटिट्यूड में, तो वो कौन कौन से थे? Northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. Now in latitude the eastern hemisphere and the western hemisphere. The longitude of a place is angular distance of that place east or west of the prime meridian. It is measured along the parallel that passes through the place. Like latitude, it is also measured in degrees, minutes and seconds. Look at the picture. Greenwich meridian, and this is ये longitude. Longitude of a place is its angular distance east or west of the prime meridian. All longitude to the east of the parallel meridian are denoted by the letter E. Okay. While the longitude of the west prime meridian are denoted by the letter W. There are 366 meridians in all, 180 to the east and 180 to the west of the prime meridian. The 180 east and the 180 west meridians are on the same line. The meridians are about uh, 111 kilometer apart from each at equator, and they met at two poles. Okay, now children, uh, next time we will start locating places on the earth. Now read this chapter: prime meridian, southern hemisphere, northern hemisphere, eastern hemisphere, western hemisphere. Read about the zones in next chapter. In next time we will continue this chapter for locating places on the earth. Okay, good day children.